You can now make repairs to lateral connections using no-dig technology. Carry out professional T-liner installations confidently and efficiently. The system avoids digging by using an affordable, easy-to-use no-dig repair system. The LCR system comes as a complete starter kit bundle, and it comes with all the equipment needed to carry out the repair. The cost of the bundle is £1,500 and is ideal for anybody experienced in patch lining. The equipment bundle contains an LCR control box, a universal packer frame, 10 1.5 metre push and turn rods, a snake tongue, 30 metres of inflation hose, a 5 metre link hose and a rotating handle. Thanks so much for watching. For any more information, just visit our website or give us a bell.